So these ones here, they're so nice. I love them. But this...
We'll be going to the beach now. What is today? It's so foggy and weird and scary.
But it's hot.
Scary.
It's very hot.
It's 14 degrees, but it's all weird and fun. Hopefully it's not smoke from a fire.
But I'm broke.
Dem caves. So.
Is that where you live, Hannah?
Just over there.
Underneath there?
Yeah.
Is that where you live?
Yeah, that's me. It's my home. It's where I go to chill in the summer months. You know? Oh, cool. Yeah, we're totally tanning a lot right now.
In the shade.
In a cave.
Safety first!
Trippy. This playground is playground goals. So I am currently home, if you didn't already notice, and I am struggling not to fall asleep. I am going to catch up with a friend of mine tonight, and so that means I have to drive. I have driven way too much already. In one day I have driven from Bridgewater to Southport Beach, which is so far away, and then back to Bridgewater to drop Rebecca off, and then back home, and then I'm going to Wayville and back home. And I don't know about the horses because it's bloody 41 degrees today, so I don't really want to have to ride, I don't really want to put them through that sort of heat, but yeah, I kind of need to get them, or at least definitely Jerry, into work, so we'll have to see. Somehow this is taking even longer than normal. Like, what? What? I don't It's like the nicest night ever right now. It's so nice. So it is now 8 PM and finally cool enough to ride. So I've just literally put a towel on Jerry because I'm wearing shorts. Put a towel on him and I'm just gonna ride him in a halter. So there you go. There's your riding for the day, Jezza. Beep, 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 beep. So this is it for today's vlog. I haven't had the best day, to be honest, mentally. Just not really feeling very happy today for a few reasons, but I'm so tired. It's 11 o'clock and I'm gonna head off to sleep now, so night guys.